Hi guys, this is a CT01. It's an Ethernet cable tester. Also comes with a really nice case. Comes with a little cable here. It comes with alligator clips. I don't ever use the alligator clips, so I threw those away. But basically what I use it for is just checking to make sure my Ethernet or landlines, whatever you want to call them. Anyway, you just make sure your stuff's good. After you crimp it, hey, maybe a forklift driver ran into it like that's never happened or anything like that. So anyway, let's go right through the basic functions and do I think it's any good. Alright guys, you want to test to see if your cable's any good? Network, that. You turn this bad boy on, you hit test, and it goes all through them. Bam, bam, bam. So I typically, though, just turn it to scan like that. It'll tell you all my cables here. It's not going to keep scanning through. I'll show you a bad cable, let you know how well that works. Here's your bad cable. When you just hit your basic scan, it obviously doesn't light up. So we know that one wire is bad. But if you go to network and you hit your test button, it'll cycle through, and I think it's 3 or 2 doesn't work. Yep, bam, like that. And then if you have 2 of them shorted together, guys, it'll just black those out too. So you don't even have to worry about the short part. Some of the other functions, the toner. That's kind of nice. The scanner is kind of nice if you're trying to, you got 300 foot of run and you're trying to figure out which one because someone didn't label it. Simple. You hit scan, you turn this on, and it'll beep, 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 beep. So we'll go right to that. So to see if your run is any good, the most I've ever done is about 150 feet, 175 feet, somewhere in there. So I can't vouch for, if it does the 300 or anything like that. Anyway, set it to scan. Take your receiver here, turn it on, turn your volume on, and then you hold down the scan button, and then bam. It'll save you a lot of time if someone doesn't label things right and you have to go find the Ethernet cable. So I don't ever use the continuity tester, guys. I always have a multimeter. I'm sure you can do it with the alligator clips and everything, but like I said, I've never had to. So your scan will tell you if there's a short or if the wires are any good, So ever had to. I can see a couple situations, but a multimeter will solve that too. So anyways, guys, this is my review of the Tacklife CT01, and it's totally worth the $20, guys. I think brand new it's like 28 now or 25, depends on if you find it on sale. But as a maintenance tech or as an electrician, like, hey, we don't always have to do low voltage, but man, once in a while we get stuck doing it, and at the end of the day, if our boss tells us to do it, it's a paycheck. Anyways, guys, like, subscribe, and this totally gets, I would give it a 7 out of 10. It's no fluke. Anyways, stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.